Welcome back, children. In subtraction, we have seen subtraction of one-digit number from two-digit number, two-digit number from two-digit number, one-digit number from one-digit number. Okay. Now we will see subtraction of a one-digit number from a two-digit number with regrouping, or it is also called as borrowing. Okay. So let's see what is regrouping or borrowing. When do we use this method, or when do we use regrouping method? Okay. Now here we are given 43 minus 8. We always start subtraction from one's column, right? But here in one's column we are given 3 minus 8. Can we subtract 8 from a small number? No. We have 3 chocolates. I have 3 chocolates. You asked me to give 8 chocolates. Where will I give 8 chocolates from? So we'll see how we should do this borrowing or regrouping now. We cannot take away a bigger number from a smaller number. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. But here we are taking away a bigger number from a smaller number. We can't do that. So what do? We borrow 1/10 from this tens column to ones column. So we borrow 1/10 from this tens column to ones column. This is called regrouping or borrowing. What is this called? Regrouping or borrowing. So when we give one number from this tens column, 1/10 from this tens column, what will I have now? I have 3 chocolates, or similarly take this 4 itself. I have 4 chocolates. I have given away 1 chocolate. How many will be left? 3 will be left. So we'll strike this number and write the before number of this number here. You should remember that. This is regrouping. In regrouping, when you give 1/10 from tens column to ones column, this number will become 13 in ones column, and in tens column this number will become the previous number or the before number. Okay, we'll write 3 here. Now, can we subtract 8 from number 13? Yes. So we'll start normal subtraction. So 8 in your mind, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did you get? How many fingers did you get? 5. So write 5. In tens column, there is nothing to be subtracted from 3. Don't take this 4. We have given 1/10 tens from tens column to ones column. So the number will be here 3. We don't have anything to be subtracted from 3 here. So directly write the number 3. 3, 5, 35. So, 43 minus 8 is 35. Okay. This is subtraction with regrouping. What do? We borrow 1/10. When we don't have enough number here to subtract, for subtraction, we take 1/10 from tens column to ones column. This is called regrouping, or this is called borrowing. So this number becomes 13, and the number in the tens column will have the previous number because it has given 1 to the ones column, 1/10. So this is the method of subtracting of a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping. Okay, or borrowing. Let's see few examples for clear understanding. Let's see few more examples of subtraction of 1-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping. When do we do with this regrouping? We do this regrouping when the number in the minuend is smaller than the number of subtrahend. Okay? This is minuend, this is subtrahend. Let's start ones column. tens column. Let's mark this. So we always start subtraction from ones column. The number on the top is called minuend. The number which is getting subtracted is called subtrahend. When minuend is smaller than the subtrahend, we do regrouping or we do borrowing. Because there isn't enough number of ones in this ones column, okay, to subtract this number from the subtrahend. So what do? We borrow one tens from tens column to the ones column and the number becomes 17 here in the ones column. So can we subtract 9 from number 17? Yes. Because we cannot subtract 9 from number 7, we are doing regrouping or borrowing. This is called regrouping or borrowing. So when we borrow or regroup 1 tens from tens column to the ones column, this number becomes 17 and the number, remember this children, remember this. Some children will forget. So in tens column you should write the before number or previous number because we have given one tens from this number tens column to this ones column. So 6 minus 1 we get 5. Okay. Now we'll start normal subtraction. A big number in your mind. So 9 in your mind. Sorry, not big number. The number in the subtrahend column. Ones column 9. So keep 9 in your mind. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers did you get? 8 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8 fingers you got. So what is the number in the ones column? You will write here as 8. Okay. So keep this number in your mind. 9 in your mind. Count after 9 till you get this big number. The small number in your mind. Count till you get this big number. So 9 in your mind. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17. Stop. Why? Because the number here is 17. How many fingers you get? Sorry, how many fingers did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll write 8 here. Then next, we don't have anything to be subtracted from number 5. So we'll write it as it is. So the difference is 5, 8, 58. The difference is 5, 8, 58. Clear children? Let's see one more. Now mark the ones column, the tens column. Here we always start subtraction from ones column. In ones column we have given 1 minus 8. Because we cannot take away a big number from this small number. Okay? We have to do regrouping or borrowing. We cannot subtract 8 from 1. No? Can we subtract 8 from 1? You have 1 chocolate. I ask you to give 8 chocolates. Will you give me? You can't give me 8 chocolates. So what do? We borrow from your friend. Okay? So this is the tens column is your friend now. So we'll ask 1 tens from this tens column and borrow. And the number will become 11 here. So what will be the number in the tens column? You should directly, after borrowing ones from the tens column, this number will become 11. You should come back to this tens column and write the before number here, children. You should write 7 because you have given one number here. This will become before number, previous number. Now we start subtracting from ones column. 8 in your mind. Count after 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers you got? 3. How many fingers did you get? 3. Do you have anything to subtract from number 7 here? No. So what we'll do? We'll write 7, 3, 73 directly. So the answer is 7, 3, 73. 81 minus 8 is 7, 3, 73. This process is called regrouping. What is this process called? Regrouping. Now come to the next sum. Mark ones column, tens column. You have 0 chocolates and they are asking you to take away 6 chocolates. Okay, 6 sweets. Can you take away? What do? We do regrouping or borrowing. We do regrouping or borrowing. So 1 tens will come here. The number in the ones column will become 10 and the number in the tens column will become 6. You should immediately go to the tens column and write the before number. If you don't write or forget, or if you don't write this number and keep it as 7, you will get the wrong answer. Okay? Now start subtracting. Start subtracting from ones column. 10 minus 6. Now I have 10 chocolates. I can give 6 chocolates to you. Earlier I had 0 chocolates and you are asking me to give 6 chocolates. I don't have 6 chocolates. So I have borrowed from this tens column this number 7. So I got 10 chocolates now. I can give you 6 chocolates. So after giving you 6 chocolates, how many will be left with me now? So keep 6 in your mind. Count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did you get? 4 fingers. Write 4. There is nothing to be subtracted. Bring this number down directly. 6, 4, 64. So 70 minus 6 is 6, 4, 64. Clear, children? Now come to the next problem. Marking ones column, tens column. Take away 7 from number 1. Can you take away? No, we can't. So what do? Borrow 1 from the tens column. So the number will become 11 here. And strike this off number in the tens column and write the previous number. Remember, you should write the before number in the tens column. Clear? Now 11 minus 7. 7 in your mind. Count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers did you get? 4. How many fingers did you get? 4. Now bring this down 3. Because there is nothing to be subtracted. So 3, 4, 34 is the difference. So when you subtract 7 from number 41, you get the difference as 3, 4, 34. Now the next sum, ones column, tens column. Okay? Can you subtract 8 from number 4? No. So what should we do? We should borrow 1 tens from the tens column. So this number will become 1, 4, 14. In tens column, strike the number and write the before number. This process should be done immediately. When you borrow from the tens column, the tens column number should also be changed at that moment itself. Don't forget. Now, 14 minus 8. We can do normal subtraction. So 8 in your mind, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers did you get? 6 fingers. So what will write the number here? 6. Take this small number in your mind, count till you get this big number. 8 in your mind, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop. How many fingers you get? Count them, write the answer. Clear? In tens column, you have just direct number 5. So write 5, 6, 56. The next sum. Mark the ones column, tens column. We always start subtraction from ones column, because in ones column there isn't sufficient amount of ones here to subtract this number 5. What do? We do borrowing or regrouping. From tens column, you borrow 1 tens. The number becomes 12. Strike the number in the tens column. Write the before number. Clear? You should do this immediately. Then 12 minus 5. Keep the number 5 in your mind. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers you got? 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers you got. So write 7 in ones column. bring these 2 directly to the tens column. So the difference is 2, 7, 27. So this is subtraction of a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping or borrowing. When do we do this regrouping or borrowing? When the number in this ones column, the minuend number or the number in the first row is smaller than the number in the second row. Clear? So you cannot subtract 9 from number 7. So that is what we do is regrouping. We borrow this 1 tens from tens column. So the number becomes 17. Then we can subtract 9 from number 17. Yes. So we do normal subtraction. This is then we come to tens column. Write the number from the tens column. Subtract similarly. Okay. So this is subtraction of 1-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping. Clear, children? Or borrowing. You can say it as borrowing as well. Clear? Okay then.